First of the day, I got a brand new lock install. His door wants a deadbolt on the bedroom. It's an older door, but he wants what he wants, so we're gonna put it about there. It's about 7.5 inches right now. Drill. Double check the jig. There's no going back. We're starting to get a little pierce through. That's good enough. Make sure you be careful with that sharp as well, you don't want to damage the customer's home. We'll get our bit, put it in a pre-made hole, like so. This is where the bag comes in use. Sliding. Nice perfect cut. What we're gonna do now to finish it off. Yeah, I'm sliding. Go blunt on this one. There we go. There's a little blunt. I'm gonna do the cleanup now because it's a lot harder to clean that later. Even though we've got to do some chiseling, but there we go. That's the start. Next we'll do the chisel out here. And I'll show you what to do for that part there. Yeah, and looks pretty accurate. Oh, my pencil's breaking. This one was a little awkward. There we go. A little thicker there. This pencil is trash. I'll remember. Alright, there's my template. Ish. No. So next up, I've got this little tool. And we want the rounded edge. This one like that. I should probably remove that screw. Yeah, let's do that. Hold that thing in and you'll see why I need that. Alrighty, that's a little better. Line up perfect. Make sure you're not jumping around. We're in I'm pretty wedged in. Right. Oh, that wasn't meant to happen, but that's beautiful. And that's exactly what this is for. Right. So I'm coming back, put my little screw in. Like so. It's not doing shit. That's pretty solid. Anyway, so line it up. Make sure you're going straight. Make sure this isn't bending. You see it's bending right there? So it's going a little deeper than expected. But, okay. It gives me a base. Same thing again, going up. It's already pretty long, to be fair. It's actually pretty good. Alright, next up, we're going to get into, grab a chisel. I'll take this out. Yeah, that's good right there. Not more. Go. Alright. And I'm just gonna finish off, make sure that blade is facing up, right? It wants to come out. It wants to come out right there. Look at that. Beautiful. Same thing for the top. I just push this in my hand. Same thing here. I think this one needs to be done with a hammer. This is how it looks. If you put a little sandpaper in there, I think that would sort it. But you know what? That's already good enough. That's perfect, actually. Right there. So we're gonna get our pencil. Make sure it looks good inside there. We're gonna put a little dot right there. dot right there. That needs to be the top. Okay, top of the top there in the middle. Go the whole way, but this prevents the wood splitting. Just put your screw in. Which is all over here. Now we can get this lock on completely. The lock is good to go. It looks so small right now. I could have done it in a while. Alright. There we have it. Nice. Now we're going to work on this part. I'll show you how to get the perfect alignment so you don't have to push, pull your door, you know. Here's a little unorthodox, but it works perfect in my opinion, so I do this here every time. You cake up the bolt with some lipstick, right? Close the door, and right now the door is sitting naturally, right? Give it one push, hold it there for a second, and you can see my mark right there. Could do with a little more. Might have to put up a more. I want to see the full thing. I'm getting better. Cake it up a little more. There we go, that's perfect. Get your 1 inch. I'm telling you, go slow when you do this, guys. I'd say about there's the middle, right there. I'm telling you, go straight, you go slow. You get your first spin. Perfect. Now we'll give it a test. Smooth as butter, right? Close the door. Smooth. Now, of course, clean this up. I have to use something for that first, but. I did do a little more than I needed to do, to be honest, yeah. But if it works, why change it, right? Look at this. Beautiful. And that's it. Now, make these look pretty. I'll line it up. Oh shit, I should have sharpened this. And this somewhere I should have to chisel. Oh, this pencil's breaking. Oh no. Oops, I moved. Good enough. Here's 3 different chisels. So we'll do it like this so we can see our lines better. And you want to do it on the inside of your pencil marks. Just like so. Same thing for the top. We can do one here. It's not bigger, so right there. Go higher. Like so. Same thing at the top. Up there. We'll go the lower. Twist it a little. But that's okay. We've got a base. And these lines are most important. Next part is going to be with a small part. Now ideally, I'm going to be honest with you, this is my first time doing it with glasses. You need your full attention, you need to watch everything. You need to watch this side, also this side, and you'll see why right now. Because we're going to make this little bend, so... and twist it at the same time. Like so. Doesn't look that neat right now, but you can sand it off, right? And twist it, watch my hand. You gotta push up at the same time. Like so, and we're still inside our lines. Yeah, this one's got a bigger side to do, but... we have our base, and we can sand all that down to be perfectly round, you know what I mean? Alrighty, next up, we're gonna get you, we'll start with the top. It's very easy to work on. And this is why deep cuts around the side matter, because it wouldn't chip off like this. So, a little bit more, I think. Like so. Same thing. I wonder if I can get a nice little edge in it. Beautiful. A little more. Coming back. There we go. Beautiful. Now this is where we're going to come in a little bit more from the top. Make sure edge is facing down. Right there. A little bit. I think we can do that with, yeah. You know what? Just enough. A little bit right there. Now, is it deep enough? Yeah, it's gonna be. I'm not sure it does look right long, but it's okay. And here you can see as well, I need to take a little bit off the edge. Well, yeah, I'm trying not to peel the paint as well. I thought this one terrible. There we go. And this is how we're going to round off our edges. That side, a little bit of wood. Paint is peeling right there, there's not much I can do about that. I'm trying to be gentle though. A little bit of wood right there. So actually a little bit of wood right there as well. There we go. Alright. There we go. need to go up a little bit. Tiny smidge, which is that top edge. Just there. Look at that, it's literally peeling with a pencil. It's crazy. There's one layer. It is so minimal. And it's harder with glasses. We might have to do a little bit more, but let's see if it fits. It looks shit when the paint peel's done it. Yeah, a little bit more. I just got to ground off those edges. Paint is making that corner look shit. It's so deceiving. It looks like it's off, but it's not. Fucking paint. We're looking. A little bit more off that corner, ironically. Right. Okay, so that will push in. Oh, it does go in already. No, that's tight. That's not right. What we're going to do is going to get you we need to round that off. It's having me on, isn't it? It's having me on now. Come with bigger screws, I think. We're not going to use that. I'll just get it in my bag. I guess we'll use them. Couldn't get any better. It's so smooth, there's no resistance. Doors naturally close, literally. That's it. Job done. Clean up and end result. Get out of here. Nice.